Bank of Baroda was the last remaining bank to continue doing business with the Gupta family after the big four banks cut ties with them. The bank reported 45 suspicious transactions by Gupta-owned companies amounting to 4.2 billion rand to the Financial Intelligence Center between September 2016 and July 2017. Last year, the FIC fined the Bank of Baroda 1 million rand for flaunting anti-corruption laws. Analysts say the bank's association with the Gupta family has done a heavy blow to its image.
I think it's a case of their association with the Gupta family has kind of tainted their name in South Africa. The Bank of Baroda is a very large company. It's much larger than you would think based just on South African operations. It's the second largest bank in India in terms of assets. We're talking about in excess of $100 billion, which is pretty significant even in the US or in the developed world. And it has operations in many, many countries around the world, Australia, Mauritius, I think about 20-something countries around the world there's offices.
The Bank of Baroda has a market capitalization of 80 billion rand.
They were a very, very small player in South Africa. We have a very large, very stable banking sector. And it's not like they're saying they're leaving South Africa because of the difficulty of the South African business or the business environment or anything wrong with South Africa. It's more a case of that they're leaving South Africa because of mistakes that their people have made in South Africa in terms of some of their associations, etc., and some of their business decisions.
The Bank of Baroda, which is expected to close shop by the end of March, says it will not be taking any deposits from the beginning of March. But analysts say the bank, which operates in 24 other countries, is not off the hook yet and might face criminal charges if they are implicated in the looming state capture investigation. Naledi Matlapeng, SABC News, Johannesburg.